What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Do me a favor, hit that like button, press that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, all the stuff. Now let's go ahead and get it. Today we have another fabulous opportunity to be in the world of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is holding strong. We're at $95,560. You guys can all see just as well as I can see what direction that we're going in. Bitcoin dominance is 63.46%. We will continue to watch it every day, whether it's going up, whether it's going down. That is one of the main and one of the most prominent indicators that we need to continue to watch on a daily basis. Fear and greed index is at 52. Yes, we are finally in the neutral territory, the neutral zone of the fear and greed index. Ethereum is doing its thing, $1,826. It seemed like it's been forever since we've seen old man Ether get to $1,800 level. 7.32% for the Ethereum dominance. And also understand that the overall global cryptocurrency market cap is at $2.8 trillion. The last cycle top of 2021, the all-time high was $3 trillion market cap. Back in December 2024, which was our most recent top, our most recent high, we did touch $3.7 trillion market cap for the global space of cryptocurrency. These are some of the things that we need to pay attention to and keep in the back of our mind as we continue to see the market push forward, accelerate, so forth and so on. So today, what are we going to be talking about? We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. What should we be looking for? How should we be looking at it? Understanding and the importance of becoming a student of the game. If this is something that you're investing in, you need to understand what you're looking at, what it is that you're investing in, becoming a student of the game, learning as much as you can, understanding what market caps are and what they're to be used for, understanding what dilution rates are, understanding what layer ones are, layer two, layer three. The basics. You start with the basics and then you start to develop. You start with basic arithmetic, then you start to advance to geometry, algebra, calculus, so forth and so on. So there's levels to everything. There's levels to cryptocurrency. So learn as much as you can. The 4-year cycle is very important. The thing that is transpiring right now is all standing on top of the 4-year cycle. If you kind of been studying the 4-year cycle and what it entails, then you would kind of be able to have a better picture of what's going on right now. Why was quarter one red? January started off green, February and March was red. What does that mean? You'll be able to break it down. You'll be able to analyze it. You'll be able to make sense of it. Last night on the Thursday Night Live show, I was talking to the people. I was telling them, from my experience, I'm now able to speak cryptocurrency. I'm bilingual. When I see these coins moving, when I see the market moving, I'm listening. I'm hearing things in my ear. It's like cryptocurrency is talking to me. So once you really become a student of the game, when these coins move, these coins will talk to you. That's why a lot of times when I say pay attention to the characteristics of your coins that you're in, the coins will talk to you as they move. So most recently, we've also heard that Donald Trump did the 90-day tariff pause. That was about 10 or 11 days ago. He said he was going to pause the tariffs. That right there was an instant pivot. If you take a look at the market, you take a look at the stock market, you take a look at crypto, that was one of the pivot points to where the pause button was pressed. The market was pressed on pause as far as going down, and then we started headed back up. Pay attention to the things that is happening around you. These things are very huge if you're paying attention and watching the things that are happening. If you're just investing in cryptocurrency, you're not watching what's going on around you, what's going on around the market, you'll miss these signs. Your ears will be closed to the things that are happening. You won't be able to hear it. I'm listening. He said 90 days. And like I've been telling you guys, all we need is a 2-month, 4-month window. Is this our 90-day window that we will be getting for altcoins to explode, for our portfolios to go to astronomical levels? Who knows? But this could be a potential opportunity for us to get this 90-day explosion. Maybe it's 70 days, maybe it's 60 days. Who knows? But understand that this is what has transpired. A 90-day terror pause have been enacted. As soon as that happened, the markets ran up. What's been happening since then? The markets have been running. So these are things that we're paying attention to. These are the connections that we're making. And also the 4-year cycle. Always the year after the Bitcoin halving, we see explosions. This is 2025. This is the year after the Bitcoin halving. This is what we've been waiting on. We're waiting on explosions. January was cool. February and March was not. The first half of April was not. What's happening towards the end of April? We're starting to see some pumps. We're starting to see some accelerations to the upside. That's a good sign. Quarter one was not too good. Maybe quarter two would be our quarter. Last night on the Thursday Night Live show, we went back and looked at the charts from the cycle from 2020 to 2021. We even went back to 2016, 2017. Go back and look at the video from last night. We talked about so much information as far as comparing the three most recent cycles and what we should and could be expecting to see for the rest of 2025 and maybe even into 2026. But that is all part of becoming a student of the game. What should I be looking at? How should I be looking at it? What does it mean, the things that I'm looking at? It's easy to take a look at something, but what does it mean to you? I asked one of the young men last night, I'm like, man, why don't you explain yourself what it is that you're saying about this coin? What do you see about this coin that you like that is making you favor it? He really couldn't break it down. So you'd be surprised how many folks cannot speak crypto. They're buying crypto, investing in crypto, but it's hard. This is a tough language to get. Spanish was kind of easy. French was kind of easy, but German was tough. I took a few foreign languages in high school. Cryptocurrency is by far the toughest language that I have had to try to learn. But hard work and a lot of money. I lost a lot of money in cryptocurrency last cycle from the profits that I had earned. So now I have told myself, you know what? Learn from your lessons, become a student of the game, and that's what I've been doing. Also, most recently, we took a look at Cryptocom Coin. Was it, I think Tuesday night. I went live on Tuesday. One of the individuals asked me about Chronos, Cryptocom Coin. He said, Coach, what do you think about Chronos, Cryptocom Coin? I'm like, man, I got position in that coin. I really believe in that coin. I was in it last cycle. I saw it almost get to $1. We saw the developments of that coin. It opened up a nice, big old, huge stadium in Los Angeles, took over the Staples Center. Every time you see the Los Angeles Lakers and LeBron James play, you will see Crypto.com flashing. Crypto.com is one of the largest crypto exchanges, still standing. Didn't crumble last cycle when some of the other exchanges were crumbling. And then I also compared it to Binance. Binance is one of the top cryptocurrency exchange platforms, been around for years. Crypto.com is up and coming, been around for years. Both of these coins, both of these exchanges have coins. BNB Binance Coin is number 5. It's a big dog. Nobody talks about Binance Coin. It's $85 billion market cap. This is a banger of a play. This coin went through the 2020, 2021 cryptocurrency bull market. This coin was $10 during COVID, March 2020. The year after the Bitcoin halving, 2021, this coin was $750. That you're talking about an explosion. You're talking about a 75x. This coin did big things during the last cycle. Turn around, you look at Crypto.com and you say, damn, Binance Exchange has a coin, it's number 5. What can Crypto.com Coin do? How far can Crypto.com Coin go? These are the comparative things that you have to do when doing your analysis on the various coins, comparing and contrasting. I think Crypto.com Coin will get past the $1 mark, which is what it tested the last cycle. Binance Coin will probably at least double, get to $170 billion. Probably surpass that, get to new all-time highs. So these are some of the comparisons that you have to take a look at when you're looking at these coins. Give me a 5x, 7x, I'm good. But if Crypto.com, Chronos Coin, get past $1, then you're talking about 10, 12x coin, boom, just like that. You look at coins like Sui. Sui coin is number 11th, largest cryptocurrency coin, currently $3.73. This coin is up 80% in the week. Dog with Hat, one of the new up-and-coming meme coins on the Solana platform. This number 96 largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. It's now 65 cents. It's up 75% on the week. What has been happening over the past week? The past 10 days? The Black Swan event has been paused. The tariff wars have been paused. The pause button was pressed. That's why I said when you're paying attention to what's going on around you, you be like, okay, let me start buying up all these coins while they're low, while they're beat down. The pause button is pressed. That means I can run through. That means there's no gates now. Everything is wide open. There's no checkpoints. Everything has been placed on pause. Now I can navigate through freely. There still will be some dips. There still will be some volatility, but it won't be as much as we seen in February. It won't be as rough as we seen in March. 90-day terror pause have been enacted. This is huge. This is something that we need to keep in the back of our mind, keep in the forefront, understand that the opportunities are laid out. What did we learn from quarter one? February, March, we saw extreme fear. When you go back and run the tapes, that was the perfect time to buy. Always the perfect time to buy when you see fear and extreme fear. If you don't take away anything from the lessons that we got from quarter one, please walk away with that. The next time, anytime you see fear and extreme fear, you look up under the couch, you look up under the bed, find some dry powder. Dollar cost app, buy these coins while they're low. When everybody's saying these coins are going to go to zero, that should be a great sign for you to buy. Pay attention to what the masses is saying. The masses is saying, sell in May and go away. Do you want to be selling while there's a pause button on the 90-day tariffs? Pay attention to what's going on around you. Do your own research as the CEO of your own portfolio. But I believe that we are getting ready to experience a fabulous pump. Bitcoin $95,500, almost $96,000. We know the all-time high was in January. We saw amazing numbers in January 2025. $108,000 Bitcoin. Will we surpass the $108,000 mark? When will we surpass it? Will it happen next week? Because we know Bitcoin is very volatile. In the upward direction, we can see a movement of $6,000 to $10,000 in one day. What price are we at right now? We're at $95,000. If Bitcoin pump run up $8,000 today, how would that look? Talking about $103,000. What will the market sentiment be? A lot of folks said it was a few weeks ago, last month, Coach, we're in a bear market, man. I don't know how you could continue doing these videos, and we are in a bear market. Bitcoin probably is going to go to $50,000. Be careful to who you listen to. If you see somebody and they really don't have a clear understanding, comprehension of what the 4-year cycle is all about, be careful of who it is that you're listening to. A person will tell you all you need to know about themselves by you just sitting back listening. Sometimes just sit back and listen to people. Don't even talk. You just listen to them. You watch them. And that will tell you everything you know about their characteristics. Like I always say, pay attention to your coins. Watch how your coins move. Your coins will tell you. But sometimes we fall in love with our coins. Even though our coins is telling us, I'm no good for you. I'm in love with you, XYZ coin. When you fall in love with these coins, it is hard to separate yourself from these coins. So, like I said, come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. We have a great cryptocurrency community, and we would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.